like the London Underground, but everything's in Turkish. Also, no idea which exit you should be going out of until you get up onto the street and realise you come out the wrong one.
And we're miles away.
Let's see. Okay, we are here. We're checked in. We're going to decompress a little bit from that journey. I'm going to have a shower, a long, hot shower. I'm going to dry and straighten my hair. I will say, apparently this is a sea view room. Once you look beyond the building works. It is over there. Not complaining though, because the workshop doesn't even have a window, so. Okay, showered, it's amazing, straight hair, looks lovely. Now we're going out to find a vegan takeout place that we've read about.
Hadi bakalım. Küçük. Açın. Pomegranate ya. Granada sauce. Okay, open please. Open. One. Not spicy. Not spicy.
Well, that was a little bit crazy.
Günaydın.
So we are going to...
It's ran over by a scooter.
We're taking a walk today to the Grand Bazaar. What else am I saying? Then after that, our hotel has a spa, so we're going to go in there.
It's free.
And then,
It's free.
And it's free, yes. And then this evening, we've booked a sunset cruise.
Yeah. Tea and cookies.
Tea and cookies.
But first job,
Coffee.
coffee.
Welcome to the Grand Bazaar. Okay, so the Grand Bazaar, for me personally, I'm not a shopping type. It was a little bit underwhelming, still worth seeing, but we're gonna move on now and go and see some of the, see some more of the historical stuff. You do have to, if you're going to come and visit the Green Mosque, women need to wear a scarf, or you can pop your head up, or they have you to borrow on the entrance as well. You also have to take off your shoes. So this is the Hagia Sophia, but the queue is insane.
I mean,
so,
like, crazy insane.
we're not going to go inside.
hot, hot, hot.
Boat all time. Good night, Dean.
Good
Up
morning.
and about now, after my lovely coffee in bed. We are going across the bridge today, and we're going to go and do a little bit of shopping and check out some vegan restaurants.
Yes, we're going to have a little mooch around and see what's about. Stretch the legs. It is Christmas Day, but it's business as usual here in Istanbul.
So for those of you who do like to shop, we are in the fancy pants shopping area right now.
You always cut mine off.
Well, you're like a whole foot taller than me.
Want a dirty burger? I want a dirty burger.
Okay, heading back towards Kartal now, back to the truck. It's been a lovely few days. We didn't need to spend so many nights there, to be honest, but we really needed out of the workshop.
3 days is enough in Istanbul.
So, heading back.
Coffee in hand, and we're back on the Marmaray, and we're heading back to Kartal where we're staying. So I think
That's it.
that's it for this one. Definitely visit Istanbul. It's a very beautiful place. Some places are cheap, some places not so much. Try and go to the local spots, and then you'll get yourself a bargain. And yeah, lots to do, lots to see. And don't forget, if you're here, go to the Prince Islands because they're beautiful.
Yes, they are.
And if you want to know more about the Prince Islands, check out our other videos. Put a link in the bio somewhere or wherever.
Yep.
Yeah. We're done.
We're done.
Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe, and thanks to our patrons. Signing out from Istanbul.